Kyrgyzstan is an island of developing democracy in Central Asia. The country borders with China, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. As a member of the EAEU, it has an open market for over than 190 million people. The population includes more than 100 nationalities and ethnic groups. Since independence, the country has proved itself as a reliable partner, providing a favorable investment climate by creating comfortable, safe, and trusting conditions for cooperation. The Bishkek FAS has existed since 1995. These are the territories of the Free Economic Zone of Kyrgyzstan, which has a special preferential legal regime for the implementation of economic activities by the subjects of the Bishkek FAS. The territory's total area is more than 350 hectares, 3 of its sections. In the southern part of Bishkek, 5 kilometers away from the capital's international airport, and in the city of Karabalta with its own railway line. The territory has a fence, checkpoints, and security around the perimeter. A separate division of the customs service operates on the territory of the Bishkek FAS. It has all the necessary modern engineering and communication infrastructure, including its own boiler room, uninterrupted power supply, cleaning and cleanliness maintenance on the territory, food outlets and recreation area, fire service and medical center, preschool educational institution and dormitories. The supply of electricity, high-speed internet and other public services in Kyrgyzstan have the lowest tariffs in the region. Here, without leaving the territory, you can also use banking services. The amount of work with currency is not limited. Optimal rental cost and low percentage of collection up to 2% of turnover, zero rate of property tax, income tax and sales tax, no land tax and customs duties. In addition, cargoes delivered to the FAS Bishkek move in transit mode. Bishkek FAS is a modern platform for the implementation of your multi-level tasks and goals. From dreams to victory.